all the dignitaries present here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. It's okay. It's been a pleasure and honor for us students of Nalsar University to be a part of such a great event wherein such distinguished speakers share their invaluable experiences and knowledge with us. So here are a few highlights which I would like to present before all of you for the gist of the conference on behalf of my team. The conference was able to bring out a wide array of issues ranging from patents, patent licensing, trademarks, trade secrets, and geographical indications. We were able to discuss contentious aspects regarding the international conventions on IPR, TRIPS, and make observations that the countries might, by their policy approaches, become violative and violator of the stipulative provisions. So the panelists also raised issues which are at the forefront of the patent litigation in various countries, such as the language barriers that arises while filing patents, the issue of subject matter patentability, etc. Further, there were discussions about considerations while adopting utility models and the lessons from China, Germany, and Japan, and how they are going to do about the patenting of such patents. And the recommendations and modifications that could be made in respective legal standards, which could be there in the Indian legal system also. We also deliberated upon the enforcement of IPR and battle against counterfeiting in OAPI and India, along with the growing importance and the need of ADR mechanisms. Further emphasis was also placed upon the need to strengthen the framing of claims and specifications in patent licensing agreements, including the considerations of FRAND terms in the SCPs. Additionally, the current trends in the biotechnology, the pharma industry in the US, India were also deliberated upon. There's a promising need for the close coordination between the stakeholders and patent authorities in order to iron out the issue of working disclosure requirements under Section 8 as well as the computer-related inventions under Section 3K, which were discussed and deliberated upon in detail. So we have been able to sum up the importance of good IP management on the whole as a key for value optimizations. And a good IP strategy is thus the heart of any success of the business. That is what the conference was about. And we have been honored to have been a part of the conference here and report the conference. Thank you so much.